So with the students' feedback, 3 weeks, was that really helpful? What we wanted to do was provide feedback to the students immediately, right after they completed the badge. It might not be the personalized feedback they got for us, but it would at least give them a sense on if their submission was likely to be approved. So in the Artificial Intelligence Challenge, we worked outside of the badging system with AI and machine learning just to, train some models and see what we could do. I'm not going to get too much into the technical weeds of that. I was not the technical lead on that project, and it's not super relevant to the purpose of getting through the presentation today, but if you're interested in that, you can definitely shoot me an email and I can put you in touch with the people who worked more on that side of things. But we focused a lot on this thing called text on target, which you can see as a relevance check passed. So we realized that, yes, we have a lot of data. Is it a lot of data for AI and machine learning? No, it's a drop in the bucket. So we needed to use some models that would work with the amount of data that we had. So we put together some artificial intelligence guidance here for the student, right? So they would answer this question about Wikipedia, and then they could see this AI guidance right away. What the relevance check did, which it compared their response to past responses in the system to see how similar it was. It's pretty clear to us why we would not want to do a complete automation at this point. The technology really for a short answer evaluation wasn't ready for that we were using, but also we wanted to have, let's say a student wrote a really unique response. It wasn't inaccurate, it captured the point, but it wasn't like other responses. We wouldn't want that to deter a student from successfully earning the badge. And then this is what the grader interface looks like. This is actually work that's been done over the past year to improve artificial intelligence for the evaluator. So that student side of things, while we have worked on it, is not currently displayed to the students, but the evaluators are seeing more assistance in their evaluation. So we're scoring the badge responses with this model output. An 8 and above means that it passed, and what we're doing is evaluating, okay, this badge response, 60% of past badge responses that look like this got an 8. And so you can see there the select score at the bottom is how we're training that system. And then we have auto-filled as well into the box to help us speed up our evaluations. So just briefly, some other potential applications would be discussion boards, short text response assessments, or if somebody needed some development and learning with, composing emails or other nonverbal communication and how to do that professionally. So some factors to success for digital badge implementations, right? We wouldn't have got anywhere near exploring artificial intelligence and machine learning for the system if we didn't have some level of success and some sort of problem to solve that prompted us to look at that technology. So these for us, these were some of our key factors for badging success. So I'll let you take a look at those. But I really want to focus a lot on, number 1, planning for unexpected success, and number 2, thinking about the image and the brand and market. So we definitely had this case of unexpected success, and I will say we were caught a little bit without a plan for it just because we had been toiling away for what felt like a long time. Now at this point in time, who knows what time is anymore, but we were not ready for the rapid scale up that we had, and so we had to adapt on the fly. And then with branding and marketing, just think critically about, you're at an institution, the name is important, the reputation is important, learning experiences that are credentialed, we want them to be quality experiences. So really thinking about the quality with the credentials that you're creating. So I want to thank you for checking out my virtual presentation for NERCOMP. I'm excited to look at everybody else's presentations and to really engage with a network of like-minded individuals focused on technology, information literacy, and helping to hopefully improve learning outcomes for all students. So my email is down here. You can feel free to send me an email. I'd be happy to chat about anything in this presentation, or I've been in, like I said, the badging game for a while. So any other questions you have about microcredentials and badges as well. Thanks for watching.